Hey viewers, you're watching The Savera and I'm Vidhi Joshi. A federal jury in Miami has ordered Tesla to pay over $243 million, that is approximately $375 million AUD in damages over a fatal 2019 crash involving its autopilot driver assistance system. The case centered around the deaths and injuries caused when a Tesla Model S operated by George McGee slammed into a parked Chevrolet Tahoe in Key Largo, Florida. The victim's 22-year-old and her then-boyfriend were standing beside their SUV when the Tesla, reportedly traveling at around 100 km per hour, ran a stop sign and a stoplight, striking them violently. Benavides Leon was thrown 23 meters and died at the scene, while Angulo sustained serious lifelong injuries. Jurors awarded $129 million in compensatory damages to the victims' families alongside $200 million in punitive damages. Tesla was held responsible for 33% of the compensatory amount, totally roughly $42.6 million. The remaining 67% of the blame was assigned to McGee, the driver who had admitted to being distracted after reaching for his phone at the time of the accident. However, McGee was not named as a defendant in the trial and will not be required to pay his portion of the damages. The plaintiffs argued that the Tesla was negligent in allowing its autopilot system to operate on roads it was not designed for. Tesla has marketed Autopilot as capable of safely navigating various road conditions, yet experts testified during the trial that the system lacked the necessary safeguards to prevent misuse. The company, they said, knowingly allowed drivers to use autopilot on roads other than controlled access highways, despite the feature not being equipped for such environments. The plaintiffs' attorneys also accused Tesla of withholding or losing critical telemetry and video data from the crash, despite initially denying it possessed such evidence. According to expert testimony, the vehicle failed to alert the driver or take action as it approached the intersection, contributing directly to the collision. This trial marked the first time Tesla was taken to court over the wrongful death of a third party involving its driver assist technology, unlike previous cases that were dismissed or settled before reaching trial. This case proceeded to a full jury verdict, setting a powerful legal precedent. Experts believe this outcome could open the door to more lawsuits and make future settlements significantly more costly for Tesla. It also raises broader regulatory concerns over the rollout of semi-autonomous systems on public roads. Tesla strongly rejected the jury's findings and announced it would appeal the verdict. In its statement, the company insisted that McGee was entirely at fault for the incident and that no vehicle in 2019 or today would have been capable of preventing the crash. Tesla maintains that its autopilot system is intended to assist attentive drivers, not replace them. The company denounced the jury's decision as flawed and warned it could hinder progress in developing life-saving technologies in the automotive industry. Tesla further argued that the plaintiffs created a false narrative by blaming the technology, even though the driver himself admitted responsibility from the outset. Nonetheless, the verdict deals a significant blow to Tesla and its CEO Elon Musk, who has been aggressively promoting the company's future in autonomous driving. Musk's vision includes launching a fleet of driverless robotics and transforming Tesla from an electric vehicle manufacturer into a leader in robotics and artificial intelligence. With Tesla's vehicle sales facing a downturn and its stock down 25% this year, much of the company's nearly $1 trillion valuation hinges on the success of these initiatives. The jury's decision, however, casts a shadow over these ambitions and adds renewed scrutiny to Tesla's claims about the safety and capabilities of its autopilot and full self-driving technologies. Legal and technology experts describe the verdict as a watershed moment. It marks the first time a jury has found Tesla's autopilot software defective in a fatal crash and assigned the company financial responsibility. The implications of this case are expected to reverberate through the autonomous vehicle industry, potentially prompting stricter regulations, more litigation, and deeper public skepticism about the readiness of driver assistance technologies. That's all for now. Stay tuned to the Savera for more updates. Do like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.